Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing about the square roots and the cube roots, and also how to calculate for the square for any given number, and how to find out the cube, and someone modes how to simplification if any equation they are given in the complication, then how to write in the simple way to solve this problem. So this is basically very every examination will find this type of question. So let's start. First they are given. First will we know what is a square. Square, if any given number is 6, if you told in examination what is a square of this number, so square is same multipliable number. If there are 6 square means 6 into 6 is 36, and what is the square root of 36 is 6. Okay, let's see 36. This is square root of the symbol, this is 6. So first will be, or you have to must be remembered the square of all product, at least 1 to 25. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 is, so that's on. If what is square root of 1 is 1, what is square root of 4 is 2, what is square root of 9 is 3. So this is the reciprocal. If any given number is a square, then the value of the square is the reciprocal of the square root. Okay, so don't be confused square and square roots. So same way, what is the 12 square means 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. This is a square. When in the examination they are asking what is the square roots of 144, then this is 12. Square root means 144, this one root means 12. So this is a value of square, and this value square root is 12. So if any question, they are the expression a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let's see, a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So first, how to calculate of the square of any given number? As you know, just simple, you will be multiply by, suppose at 12, what is the square of 12? So we will go for the simple how to multiply. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, then 1 2 ja 2, then 1 1 1. So this is a simple way to calculate of the square. Okay, but today I will give some example how to calculate in the very trick way easily. Suppose this is the one way. Second way you can calculate 1 2, what is a square? So first you will be written for this value, unit place 2 square is equal to 4. Okay, then you will be calculate for 2 into 1 into 2 all products. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, because 2 multiply 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to what written 2 2 ja 4. Okay, then we will go for the unit, this one 1 square is equal to 1. So what is the value of 4 4 1 means 4 4 1. This is a very simple way to calculate. This is a trick, and one more trick I will discuss. Suppose 1 2 1 2, just go for simple 2 2 ja 4, then multiply by this 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 2, just add 2, multiply by this and this one, this 2 2 ja 2 ja 4. Okay, then multiply unit 1 1 ja 1. This is a third trick. So this is a basic 2. This is the routine how to calculate for the any multiplication. This is the trick. First square, then multiply by 2 for all digits, 1 2 into 1 into 2 4. So let's see for the other example. I will go for the 74. Same, just written for the 4 is called 116. Okay, so 116, where is the 6? 1 is a carry on. Okay, then multiply formula again, 2 multiply by 4 multiply 2 multiply by 7 multiply 4, then 56. 56 means 6 1 for remaining for this carrying, 1 here and 5 here. Now go for the 7. This 10 place is 7 7 7 is 49. So 7 7 is 49. Okay, so how to calculate? Just 6 you are written for the 6 simple way. Now there the 1 is remaining, just add on 6 1 you know 2 7 2 ja 4 7 2 ja 14 14 4 ja 56 and 1 remaining 57. So 7 is here, but 5 is carry on this one 5. Okay, so 7 will be written there 7. Now remaining 5 just add from 72 and add for 5 here because they are the carry on for here. Then 49 will be become 54. So 14 5 5 4 76. Okay, simple. Just see here how to calculate 7 4 square. This is a trick. First will be calculate for the 4 square means 16. Then go for the formula 2 into 7 into 4 means so 7 2 ja 14 14 4 ja 56. Okay, just simple written. Now last is 7 square. What is 7 square is 49. So here how to written, because 6 then 1 is remaining, so just add for this product 56 plus 1 is 57. 57 means 7 is 5 is remaining, so add for this one means 49 plus 5 is 54. So simple will be written this in this way, unit to this one 6 7 and 5 4. This is a very easy trick to calculate any square of your products. Okay, that's fine. So this is basic funda how to require for the square. Now otherwise you will be simple calculation, you know how to calculate for the any multiplication, so same number will be multiplying. Now this is the formula. This is basically for the your practice. If you practice more, they are very quickly time to you will find your square roots of any products. Okay, this is only 2 digit, and just remember when you go for the practice you will be automatically you will be find the very in the second you will find any square of the value. Okay, now come for the square roots. So just how to retain the square root. If any value is given a and find is the under root means this is a square root because they are the hidden 2. Okay, this is a square root. It means just equation a ke power 1 by 2. Okay, because this 2 is always hidden. Okay, if suppose they are given the what is the square root of 49, you know 49 7 7 is 49, just 7 square. It means 2 power 2, as you know this because hidden this word divided 2, so this is cancel because 7. So just understand what is the square root and how to calculate for the square root. Okay, if any big number they are given, this is the other factor how to calculate. Just square root of the 1089, go for the LCM. How to calculate LCM 1089, starting for the 2 is not divisible, so I will take for the 3. There are 3 ja 9, then 6, then 3 again go for the 3. So what is the multiplication will become 3 into 3 into 11 2 into 11. Okay, so 11 square 3 square, just simple. When I will remove for this square root, they are divided by 2 for the powers. Okay, just see 11 ki power 2 divided by 2 because square root, so I will remove square roots. So 3 ki power 2 1 by 2 I will just remove for square root. Now the answer is 11 is equal to 3 is equal to 33. This is how to calculate the square root of any given numbers. Okay, let's see example. And now this is the LCM rules, how to calculate for LCM. Now one more rule how to calculate for the any in the any formula they are given, just written 101. Suppose I will written 1089. As you know, for here you will make a pair. Okay, for this side for unit 1 and 2, this is a pair. Okay, now starting for the calculation, not more than that, any multiplication not more than, I will start for 2. No, I will take for the 3 ja 9. Okay, that's fine. 3 ja 9, remaining 1. Now same value you will be written here and just add on it. Okay, this here just add on it 3 3 6. Okay, now they are always written the in couples form 18. Now I will written for the 89 both number, this one. Okay, just hide for this first number and calculate multiply to find out the multiplication of 6. They are the 6 3 ja 18, so I will take for the 3 here written, and again I will written for the 3 here, then 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18. Okay, it means 33 is the square root of 1089. Okay, if they are this is any even number 1 2 3 4. If any odd number, so I will start from this side, in right hand side, for making a couples number. This one 2, then 2, they remaining of single. So I will make this one then single. So 1 1 ja 1 written there, cancel, and just because they are both number will be come here 87. So just hidden for the 8, and now they are the 2. Okay, so 2 4 ja 8. When I will written 4, here written 4, so 4 4 ja 6, and 4 2 ja 8, plus 4 4 ja 16. I will written 6, and 4 2 ja 8 9 96. So not I will take for the 4, I will take for the 3. So I will go for the 3, then 3 3 3. I will not go for this one 3. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. So 87, or I will return 69. So just I will see here how to calculate. Okay, 18769. Okay, I will make two numbers, both numbers couple. I will taking for the couples number 2 2 and remaining 1, because right hand side I will start it for the make a double numbers. This is a group, two numbers of the group. Okay, so 1 is remaining, so I will take for 1 1 1 1. So this cancel, 1 1 as 2, both number will become in the couples form. Okay, so 87. Just I will hide one number and calculate this, multiply with 2, how many times we will be go. They are go for the 4 time, 2 4 ja 8. If I will return for the 4, and here also return for 4, so 4 4 ja 6, 4 4 ja 16 66, and remaining is carry on 1 4 96. So this is the higher number, so I will not take for 4, I will take for the 3. Okay, then 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. So in the 70s, 9 is 8, 7 is 1. Now they are both number is remaining, so I will retain the both number 9, and same number will be written here, and just add on it 9 9 3 3 6 and 2. So just I will hide one number for here and calculate how much they will be go. Just calculation will be depend of you. So calculate 26, 1 ja 2 ja 3. So don't worry, just you will be calculate for the 26. Just how many times you will be go. Okay, so in 2, I just go for this one number 2 7 ja 14, and 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18. Okay, 2 9 ja 18, but 2 9 ja 18. Okay, 2 9 ja 18. One is not, so I will take for the 7 times, 8 times. Just calculation, this simple calculation. Okay, just so I will return here 7 7 ja 49, then 9 7 6 ja 42, then and 4 means 46, then 7 2 ja 14 plus 4 80. This is the simple way to calculate of the square roots. Just if any given number, so how to calculate for the square roots, this is the trick 2. As you know how to written the square root. If square root is this one, x is equal to y, means if I will go for the square, it means x is equal to y square, because here one under there 2 is remaining. When I will remove for this square root, so this 2 is a cancel, so simple will become for the x, and here is no any. So this is a very formula. Suppose in simple way, this under root 3 ab. Okay, if you see how to calculate, under root a square into a and b square into b, you can retain for this side. As you know, for when go for the outside, this square will be removed, so a into b is the outside of square root, so remaining is ab. So this is the a ke power, if any given number is a under power 3, b 3, so you will calculation for this type. Simple. If they are multiply x into multiply by under root y, So easy simple, you can retain the one root x into y. Similarly, if a under root a square is equal to b square, you can simple retain for ab. If they are given under root x divided by under root y, you can also simple retain by under root x by y. This is the all same value. Okay. Many examinations they are asking for the square root if they are in decimal. Let's see for the example. Suppose 147.1367. So as you know, when they are not decimal, 14 so I will start from to make a pairs for here. Okay, starting for the right hand side and left. If any given they are given the after decimal, what will we do? If they are so this before decimal will be starting for the right hand side, but after decimal will be start from the left hand side for making a pairs. Okay, this one. This is the most important. Every student they are the confused. Okay, when before the decimal will be starting for the right hand side. Okay, for making a pairs 47, then remaining one, and after decimal we are starting for the left hand side. Suppose we will be started from the 1369. If suppose if any given for 498.256, so for this number we will started for making pairs for this side. Okay, after decimal we will be starting for this side. So here there are only 16 is a individual value for return. Okay, making pairs. So just simple return for the 147 making pairs for the before decimal for this and after decimal making a pairs for 13 and 69. So I will make for the this one, they are the given this or this will go for this side, means this one go for this side after decimal, and before decimal and after decimal go for the left to right, and this is a basic you must understand. So just simple way to starting how to calculation, just I will just this one, the value is starting for the 1, simple return 1 again, then because they are 47 just take for the 47 because they are the all pairs will be come here. So 47 just see, I will calculate to make easily understand you. 1471369. Okay, I will starting, I know, just I will, if there are question, I will starting for the making pairs for this side to this side 1 and for this side to make pairs this one. So first 1 1 1. Okay, 2 1 is cancelled, then 47 I will calculate 2 2 ja 4. So simple will be written 2, also we will written for 2 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. So 4 is 3 is remaining, and this one cancel. Now for after decimal what will we do? Make a point for here. Okay, then 1 3, same 2 will be written here. Same way you will be calculate 2 2 ja 4, then 2 how many times they will go for the 1 time. So simple will be written for the 1, also written 1, then simple 1 4 2, then 2, and 11 is 4 is 7 72. Okay, so this pair will become here written here 6 9, and just add for this value 2 4 2 and calculate how much time will be go. 24 2 ja no 3 will be go. 24 3 ja, just you imagine calculate this, imagine how much time. I suppose how much time I will just this one and calculate for 24. I will 2 2 ja 6. Okay, so 3 is the completed, so I will simple return for 3. Okay, also here 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 6, 3 4 ja 2 8 ki 2, carry on 1 2 3 2 ja 6 and 7. Okay, this is value. So how to simple way to calculate any decimal of the value given the square root. So this is the basic funda to calculate of the square root of any decimal form. Just do the practice and you will be memorize all this how to calculate. Okay, now any cubic, you know, just you remember the formula: a square plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 3ab a plus b. A minus b square is equal to a square minus b square minus 3ab under root a. Just you memorize for this formula. Calculation you multiply by just how to you given, but one is more trick, but they are very complicated. If you do practice you must be know. If suppose they are given 35 find out the cube. Okay, you can do one thing, just 35 multiply with 35, then again multiply with 35. You calculate for simple way. Otherwise, one is a trick. If you do, that is good for you. If calculation, this is a trick. 35, just you will take the unit digit 3. Okay, just calculate for 3 power cube. Okay, 3 power 4 is equal to 27. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Now what will we do? We do this is 27. I will do for the unit place is the 5 divided by this one 10 place digit. Suppose 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 3, 5 divided by 3, and then multiply this 27 here. Okay, so just calculate 9 5 just 9 and 9 5 ja 45. Now what will we do? Same, I will multiply by this 5 by 3 by 45. So one is 45, other is just do for multiplication 3 by 45. So what will we find? 3 9 ja 14, 75. Okay, so 27 45 75, and then last digit will be 5. Okay, 5 power cube you will find 125. So this all four number 1 2 3 and this 124 you will written in the one line 27 45 75 125. What will you do? Middle and third one, starting for 1 2 3 do 27 45, just double for this number written here 90 and 150. Okay, now just simple way to calculate. So this is the remove this number. Now this is important. Okay, so just we are doubling for this number. We are now calculate 5 5, just here just 12, because carry on to 12, so 12 written here 75 and 150. Just add our unit digit 5 to 7 7. Okay, 15, then 7 is 22 and 23, carry on this one 23. So there are 45 to 5 3 8, because 2 4 6 and 9 15 remaining. So just that 40 50 15 then 27, just add on 7 12 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this is the cube of the any given number. This is a basic very easy trick to find out any number. Suppose if you are there given 25, so now calculate, you know what will we do? Just first number is value, you know, 28, and now what will we do? 8, just in memorize 8 5 by 2 4 20, and when 20 comes, what will we do? 25 by 2 5 by 2 2 10 15, and just 5 power cube is 125. Okay, so just we are doubling for this middle number 2 2 ja 14 5 2. Okay, 100. So just